Hi everyone, this is Dr. Anamta Rizvi, your UGC NET English Literature educator at Study IQ, and today I will be discussing a very important lesson. This lesson is for all of my English literature students जो कि aim कर रहे हैं UGC NET December 2024. Today I will be discussing about the periodicals of the 18th century. और ये periodicals भी know कि बहुत important है, अक्सर questions पूछे जाते हैं. Almost every exam has these questions. So let us look at all the periodicals जो कि इतने famous हो गए थे in the early 18th century. All right. So let's go ahead with this. So guys, before that, let me tell you that हमारा course है जहाँ पे 5999 का है, आपको paper 1 as well as paper 2 मिल रहा है. paper 1 आपको मस्तूर sir and शीमल मैम पढ़ाएंगे, and paper 2 English literature I will be taught by me. Will be covering the entire course. It is for 5999. You can use the code ARLIVE and get a good discount. All right. So next, let's go ahead with. Okay, so I'm Dr. Anamta Rizvi. I did my PhD in literature from Jamia. I qualified my GRF, and you can follow me on Dr. Anamta Rizvi English literature. All right, so talking about the periodicals, 18th century, जो कि एक टाइम था जहाँ पे periodicals, journals, writing बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो गई थी. क्यों? क्योंकि education आ गया था. मिडिल क्लास भी स्कूल जाने लगे थे, पढ़ने लगे थे, लोगों में एक रीडिंग एबिलिटी ज़्यादा बढ़ गई थी. इस वजह से पीरियोडिकल्स इतने ज़्यादा चलने लगे थे उस टाइम पे. सो पीरियोडिकल्स इन अर्ली 18th century English literature saw the rise of periodicals as a major literary form, providing a platform for discussing social, political, कुछ भी सिचुएशन जो भी कंट्री में होती थी उसको डिस्कस करने के लिए. These publications aimed at the growing middle class who were getting good education and who wanted to now read and write. Entertainment के लिए, guidance के लिए. So this was a very common phenomena कि लोग periodicals coffee shops में, घरों में, friends के यहाँ, everybody had started a culture जहाँ पे ये periodicals, journals पढ़े जाते थे. So now we are going ahead to the next slide. सबसे पहले if you see सबसे पहले एक बहुत अच्छा जर्नल आया था जो कि 17th century के एंड में आया था. उसका क्या नाम था? The Athenian Mercury. 1691 to 1697. This was founded by John Dunton. John Dunton है ये, इन्हीं ने फाउंड किया था. And this was an innovative question and answer periodical. इसमें बड़ा question and answer वाला periodical होता था. बहुत ज़्यादा रेंज ऑफ टॉपिक डिस्कस होते थे. साइंस, फिलोसफी, लिटरेचर, क्रिटिसिज्म, एवरीथिंग वाज डिस्कस्ड अंडर this very earlier journal. So सबसे one of the most pioneer journal आप कह सकते हैं था the Athenian Mercury. It aimed to make complex topics accessible to the general public. ताकि general public जो भी complex topic या simple topic whatever it is discussed in the public. Next you have is Athenian Mercury के बाद the Review. The Review, another important journal, and that was by Daniel Defoe. Daniel Defoe, good novelist of that time also. 1704 to 1713, ये काफी लंबा चला था. Written and edited by Daniel Defoe. The Review focused on politics, trade and international affairs, and it is regarded as one of the first periodicals to offer journalistic commentary on current events. जो भी current events होते थे, whatever was happening in England during that time, उस पर commentary होती थी. So लोगों को opinion किसी और का पता चलता था, इससे लोगों का अपने thoughts और opinions बनते थे, right? एक critical climate develop हो रहा था. So this was the Review 1704 to 1713. That was by Daniel Defoe. You can look at Daniel Defoe. He's writing the Review over here. So a very major periodical talking on journalistic writing. All right. Next you have is the Tatler. अब ये Tatler जो था, जो steel का था, and ये बहुत important work था. April 1709 to January 1711. काफ़ी पूछा जा चुका है. टैटलर तो अक्सर पूछा जा चुका है एग्जाम में, स्पेशली इसके ईयर्स एंड मंथ भी. तभी मैंने मंथ भी लिखा है. April 1709 to January 1711. फाउंडेड बाय रिचर्ड स्टील. द टैटलर में न्यूज़ भी था, ऐसे भी था, सोशल कमेंट्री भी थी, करंट इवेंट्स भी थे, रिफ्लेक्टिंग द लाइवली डिस्कशन दैट वर हैपनिंग इन लंदन कॉफ़ी हाउसेज. लंदन कॉफ़ी हाउसेज एक तरीके से बहुत फ्लरिश हुए थे बिकॉज पीरियोडिकल्स रखे जाते थे, लोग कॉफ़ी पीते थे, पीरियोडिकल पढ़ते थे, पर अपना ओपिनियन देते थे, डिस्कशंस होता था. सो दिस वाज अ वेरी गुड टाइम जहाँ पे क्रिटिकल एटमोसफेयर डेवलप हो रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ दीज पीरियोडिकल्स. सो इट वॉज पब्लिश 3 times in a week. ये भी पूछते हैं एग्जाम में. दिस इज द रीजन दैट आई हैव रिटन हियर. It was published 3 times a week and was one of the first to introduce moral essays in periodicals. moral essays were being discussed in periodicals. All right. Next you have, guys, over here you can look at Joseph Addison and Richard Steele sitting over here. Next you have is the Spectator. Spectator ये तब आया था, again ये Addison और Steele ने साथ में शुरू किया था, but Addison took over March 1711 and December 1712. ये Tatler के बाद आया था. This was created by Joseph Addison and Richard Steele. This daily periodical is one of the most famous of its time. Spectator बहुत famous था. Spectator Club आया था. Spectator Club के बहुत characters भी आए थे. So ये बहुत famous हुआ था. It focused on manners, good manners, किस तरह से उठना है, बैठना है, etiquettes क्या होते हैं, basic. This was discussed. Morality, culture, and literary criticism. Aiming to enliven in morality with wit, it profoundly influenced literary prose and the essay of that time. Okay, so you can look at this, Addison and Steele discussing this entire Spectator here. Next you have is the Examiner, 1710 to 1714, initially edited by Jonathan Swift. Jonathan Swift ने ये किया था, लाया था ये periodical. This periodical offered political satire in support of the Tory government during Queen Anne's reign. We must know कि Swift किसके support में था, Tory party के support में था. तो ये journal, The Examiner, Tory के लिए लिखा जाता था, Tory के तारीफ करते थे, and Jonathan Swift was the one जो ये periodical लेके आए थे. Next you have is The Guardian. The Guardian March से October 1713, जिसका time period काफी कम था. Another creation by Richard Steele. ये रिचर्ड स्टील ने बनाया था, जिन्होंने टैटलर बनाया था. This was a continuation of the Spectator's mission, offering moral and social criticism, but ये ज़्यादा चला नहीं था. It lasted only 8 months, but maintained a strong influence on middle class readers. Okay, you can see over here that is Steele sitting, and the Guardian short-lived, लेकिन ये Spectator के बाद आया था, जो कितना चला नहीं था लेकिन. Then you have the Free Thinker. 1718 to 1721, a periodical critical of religion and morality. इसमें religion discuss होता था, morality discuss होता था. It was very radical in tone, मतलब strong था, assertive था, radical था tone में, reflecting the shifting intellectual of the time. Conservative religious को ये challenge करता था and stirred public debate on sensitive topics. Okay, so religion based था, and this was the Free Thinker. Okay, over here you can look at, you know, thoda sa tense mahal, so it was discussing at that time. Next you have the Grub Street Journal. The Grub Street Journal kya tha? Very interesting. 1730 to 1737, known for its satirical tone. Okay, इसमें satire बड़ा इस्तेमाल होता था. Literary and social pretensions. This journal became popular for its sharp humor, commentary on the pretensions of literary figures and society. तो Grub Street Journal, you know, Grub Street मतलब जहाँ पे a place, a street, kind of a lane जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे लोग नहीं जाते थे. Okay, so this is the reason you can see कि Grub Street Journal satire था, and literary and social pretensions के ऊपर बहुत इस पे मजाक उड़ता था कि ये social pretensions हैं, ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. And this journal became very popular. बहुत humorous था, बहुत funny था, and it was commentary on the pretensions of the literary period of that time. That is the Grub Street Journal. काफी late आया है, 1730 to 37, और ये बहुत चला है. The Gentleman Magazine, founded by Edward Cave, 1731 to 1922. This is a very long period when this was the first general interest magazine covering everything. Literature भी था, history भी था, current events भी थे. ये publish किया था wide array of content including essay, book reviews, making it a forerunner of modern magazine. You can say कि this article, that is the Gentleman periodical, एक modern magazine का forerunner था. All right. So where you can look कि थोड़ा सा modern setup है, magazine print हो रही है and all that. So this is a Gentleman magazine. Okay, so audience and style, these periodicals were directed at the growing middle class audience. As I told you, middle class पढ़ने लगा था आगे, थोड़ा सा literacy ज़्यादा हो गई थी. So it was for moral improvement, education. The writing style was conversational, witty था, and humor use होता था, satire use होता था, तो लोगों को बड़ा entertainment मिलता था. Everybody during that time was reading periodical. जैसे आज हम लोग के लिए social media है, उस तरह से उस time पे उनके लिए periodical था. Everybody was into periodical reading. So impact on English literature, इससे क्या हुआ था? It plays a very important role. क्यों? क्योंकि prose style बहुत develop हुआ था, language refine हुई थी, and ये पब्लिक को एक्सेसिबल था, तो डिस्कशंस बहुत होते थे, तो एक क्रिटिकल क्लाइमेट डेवलप हो रहा था. They established the essay as a very important form, and writers like Samuel Johnson, Charles Lamb, they were very, very into essay writing. They also served as platform for emerging writers, allowing them to engage with contemporary issues that were going during that time. Okay. So the periodical tradition laid the groundwork for modern magazine, and the conversational style and moral focus of these early periodical influenced later literary forms. So this is the reason that periodicals of the 17th century are so important, और UGC नेट भी इस पे इतना फोकस करता है, बिकॉज एक क्रिटिकल क्लाइमेट डेवलप करने के लिए जितना भी लिटरेरी क्रिटिसिज्म हम आगे पढ़ते हैं उसमें इसने बहुत, it played a very instrumental role. Alright, so with this guys, I'm coming to an end. This is Dr. Anamta Rizvi. I'm your paper 2 English literature educator. If you want to go ahead with the course and aiming for UGC NET December 2024, go ahead, avail the course as 5999. I will be teaching your paper 2 literature, English literature, and Masroor sir and Sheemal ma'am will be taking paper 1. So guys, please subscribe to the channel and like this video and share with your friends, and stay tuned for more such content. Thank you everyone.